Happy Thursday! Guess what I did today? I have designed a new white silver AB crystals beauty pageant. Also, I think it can be used as a bridal face mask. Once again, it's very similar to my Queen of the Night. It has the silver rings that connect to the earlobes, and it has AB crystals. Once again, it's all embroidered. There are crystals, also little pearls, and some embellishment, lace embellishment with same smaller AB crystals. 2 layers of lace. It's on the nude colored filter fabric, so this mask does not require filter as many of my masks. The filter is already built in, and it's a soft cotton, breathable. It's very important, breathable cotton inside, very soft. The mask is very breathable and protective. Also, there is a wire in the nose, and my favorite is the soft nose bridge protector, which people love because it's very good for your glasses. So obviously you're not gonna wear glasses in this mask, but anyway, it prevents the airflow between your nose and the eyes. It will be sold on my website. I probably will upload it tonight. Very good addition. Their earrings, for example, for beauty pageant, you know, girls, you love those shiny blingy earrings, and it will come with a holder like that, with the hooks to hook it up to you know, whichever. You can hook it up to earlobes, or you can hook it up to the silver rings. So you can drop this mask, oops, if you hook it up on your neck strap, and just hold it there and put it back on your face once you need it again. Okay, not sure how I will call it, but something probably fun and interesting. Let me know what you think.